How to hide friends on Snapchat. So if you want to hide friends on Snapchat, you need to make your Snapchat account as private as possible. The more private your Snapchat account, the less Snapchat is going to recommend your friend to your other friends. For that, you need to click on the Snapchat app and open up your Snapchat. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that profile option, which is on the top. Once you tap on profile, now go with the settings option, which is on the right side. And once you're under the settings, you need to scroll down. Now here you will have an option of privacy controls. Under your privacy control, you need to go with see my location. And under see my location, make sure that you have turned on your ghost mode. Once you've turned on your ghost mode, now you just need to simply go back and then scroll down and go with an option of contact me. Tap on contact me, and here if you've chosen friends and contacts, or if you've chosen friends, then what you need to do is you just need to simply choose an option, friends and contact option. Once you choose that, now the other people will not be able to contact you. Then you just need to simply go back and then go with show me in quick add or see me in quick add. And here, if you've toggled it on, then you just need to simply go and toggle it off. If you turn it off, then Snapchat is not going to recommend your account to other friend, which means the friend you have is also not going to be recommended to other people. And once you've done all of your privacy settings or private settings, now you need to go with chat. And if you want to hide your friend, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your friend. For example, I'll be choosing a person. So tap and hold on to that chat. And you just need to simply go with the name. And under name, again, tap on their name. And from here, you can simply edit the name. For example, I'll be choosing something which is different from the previous one. And go with save. And now you've changed the name. And if you've changed the name, then the other person who's using your device will not be able to know that this is the person. Or the other thing you can do is simply tap and hold on to that and then go with the manage friendship option, and then you can simply remove them from your friend, or you can block them if you don't want that person. So that's how you can hide your friends on Snapchat, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.